Welcome, students, to your first step into the world of economics. This is Class 10 Social Science Understanding Economic Development, and you're watching Chapter 1, Development. Economics isn't just about money or markets, it's about people, hopes, needs, and choices. In this chapter, we'll ask powerful questions. What does it mean to live well? Can development be the same for everyone? And what are we really aiming for when we say we want progress? In this first section, what development promises different people, different goals, we'll uncover how development means different things to different people. Let's begin with a question. What comes to your mind when you hear the word development? For some, it's a high-paying job. For others, it's a roof over their head, clean water, or the freedom to choose their career. Now, imagine two people. One is a landless laborer who wants steady work and fair wages. The other, a wealthy farmer, wants better prices for his crops and new machinery. Both are thinking about development, but their goals are worlds apart. This tells us something crucial. Development is not a fixed idea. It shifts depending on who you are and what you need. But there's more. Sometimes, what one person sees as progress, another sees as loss. Picture this: an industrialist supports the construction of a dam to generate electricity. But the dam submerges villages, displacing tribal families from their homes and land. To the industrialist, that dam is a symbol of development. To the displaced families, it is a source of destruction. This is a powerful lesson. What counts as development for one group may be damaging for another. These are not just different goals, they are conflicting goals. Now, let's go deeper. Yes, people want better income, but development is not just about money. Think about it. What's the point of a good salary if you're constantly worried about safety? Or if you're treated unfairly because of your caste or gender? People also seek freedom and dignity, equal treatment, respect and security. These are called non-material goals, and often they matter even more than money. A girl in an urban family may dream of studying abroad and having the same opportunities as her brother. Her dream is shaped not just by income, but by freedom and equality. So, real development must include both material and non-material aspects. So, what does development truly promise? It promises a better life, but the path to that better life varies. For some, it's more employment. For others, it's clean air, education, or social justice. In reality, people want a mix of goals: income, education, health, security, dignity. And this mix isn't the same for everyone. It depends on their location, status, occupation, and experience. The challenge, then, is to understand that development is a journey shaped by personal needs, collective goals, and thoughtful choices. Let's quickly recap. Development means different things to different people. Goals can be not just different, but sometimes conflicting. It's not just about income, dignity, security, and equality matter just as much. As we move forward, keep this question in mind: what does development mean for you and for those around you? In the next segment, we'll explore how income and other goals together shape our understanding of development. Stay with us.